Morning YouTube. Today Thumburn fishing's going to do, today is Saturday, and with me contraption I built a few years ago. This is me smoker, and we're going to have smoked brisket tonight. Done a fair few smokes in this. I've been doing from turkeys to chickens to ribs, and today is going to be the first brisket. So had this on, we bought this the other day. I'm going to give this stuff a go. Kick butt rib rub, however you say that, chipotle or shitpatoli, and honey, and just pepper and salt. And I've just put this in here. It's been on there for probably maybe 20 minutes. So with this contraption I built, it's my smoker. I put the fireplace here. I did it different to everyone else's idea. I put this, that's a gas bottle, that's a steel gas bottle. Come up, and these are, they're called a stainless steel fire suppression bottle off heavy earth moving machine, full of foam. And so I did this a couple of different ways when I built it. I've changed it over the years. The smoke, I've done this vertical horizontal chamber idea. So what I wanted was to control the smoke amount. So the smoke can come up and I can adjust the smoke. I'm going to change this later on, it's still prototype in progress. So I change the smoke comes up here through here. And I can change the smoke amount, that brings the smoke neutral plane down, and then starts directing it in through here. And in here I've got a door in here, which we'll show you. So then that brings the smoke down, and as that comes down, the temperature starts rising it'll start rising, when I open the door more, it'll start rising rapidly. And if I can control the heat by that, so I take that one off. And what that also does is this stack here pulls the excess smoke when the door's shut through this lower chamber, and you can actually see the flames going. Can't now, but you see the flames go in through that, and actually takes off that, and I adjust these ones by taking that to transfer the smoke as well. And also when I do that, so right now I'm bringing that smoke down, and then we'll come in here and have a look. I'll grab a little trusty stick. So come over here and look what we've done. So we're videoing now, so this is the brisket. It's in, can you see in there? So I've got a door in here. I just open and close that door to change my heat temperature. So I can bring more heat through, direct the heat out that way, and then more smoke. So I open about there. I've got this through here. So this is the main one that comes up. So the hot air rises and comes through this chimney. And then the excessive smoke, just did these ideas. Excessive smoke that comes through here, and that just back feeds into there, so it just brings a bit more draft up through there. This one here, this is just when I put coals in. So what I do is I shovel coals from out of here into here, and then I use bain-marie trays for vegetables and stuff like that. And also if I want a camp oven idea, so a steel oven, I put the coals directly into there, and then put the oven in there, then put the coals on top of that, and shut the door. Then we can just keep the vegetables and all the stuff warm in that area there. And also if you want to cook something real slow, I can put coals in there, coals off the fire, and in the bain-marie I can just put slow meat and have really slow cook with minimal amount of smoke. So it's just basically like an oven. So that's the idea there. And we're going to be checking this. So I'm going to be doing this is going to be all day. Going to make this an all day. Sometimes I speed the process up and cook a bit faster, but today, without opening too much, we're just going to have this, and I'm just going to let that slow down, and it's going to be more of a smoky flavour then. And then I'm going to wrap that in paper, or like bacon paper, after about 4 hours, and then I'm just going to let that tenderise right up and cook it. So this afternoon we're going for a motorbike ride today, so we're going to leave that just do its thing. We've got the bikes ready. We're going to go out the river today, going to cut some fresh firewood, go for a ride to the river, and then when we come back, I'll put a little log on that. We'll come back, that'll give it, so I ramp the temperature up, and then I'll let the temperature go right down low to basically stop. Then I ramp it back up a little bit like that. So I let it go, cool down, heat up, cool down. That's how I found that I like the process to go. So yeah, so Thumburn's fishing's smoking tutorial. And Thumburn's motto, if it ain't smoking, you're only joking. So bikes will be smoking, meat will be smoking. So over and out YouTube, and thanks for watching.